Design Besties, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be doing something exciting. I'll be trying to create a boilerplate in HTML. A boilerplate is simply a pre-written reusable code or content that you use as a starting point to build something new, like a template. Think of it like a template that you build on. So let's get started. The first thing I'll be doing is to create a new file. As you can see, I already have an existing file which I named index.html, but I don't want to use that one because I want to show you how I created the boilerplate from scratch. So what I'll be doing is I'll create a new file and I'll name it precious.html, of course. Remember that you should always have that .html as the suffix when you're naming your HTML file. Yes, so what I'll do is that I'll hover over the index.html. You will see the icon, the document icon. I'll click on it and I'll create my new file and name it. So then to create my boilerplate, it's very simple. Like I said, it's a template where you can just build on. What I'll do is I'll hold down the shift key on my system and press 1, then click on tab, and that's it. Easy peasy, right? Yeah, I told you. All right, will you be trying this? Thank you for watching Design Besties.